the GPS tracker for the Repo Man. We'll be right back.
JoeteckTips, he's the man with the plan, guiding us through the digital land.
Hey guys, this is Joe Tech from JoeteckTips. We're on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And today we're going to be talking about the GPS tracker for the Repo Man. Now, I'm sure you've seen a video that's gone viral. I'm hoping that I will squash that video and put you guys at ease. Most of this stuff is illegal. Are you guys familiar with Atlantic Auto Mall? They have thousands upon thousands of vehicles. And it could be a half a mile away that way and a half a mile away that way. So what they instruct, they have about 10 installers. They go, okay, we want to track these vehicles so we know where they are on the lot. That is what this guy has found. He bought this car cash, most likely, probably used, wasn't brand new, and he found a vehicle tracking device for the location on the lot. It's called a preload. All the cars with all the windshield wipers are up in the air. They instruct all of their auto mechanics or installers, I should say, okay, we're going to install 100 vehicles with this tracking device, and they let them go. And it's just a couple of wires, and that's it. So when they look for that particular car in their tracking app program that they have on their PC, they can go, okay, this Toyota Corolla is located here. This Camry is located over there. This Honda Pilot is located over there. So that's what that device is for. However, there is a part B to this. This part that I'm going to talk about is 100% illegal in New York. However, it's legal in New Jersey. So a lot of these cars may have a device called AutoTrack, AutoTrack. And what this does is it's a automotive high-risk device for people who do not pay their bills on time. All right, so it has a keypad and only can enter in a 4-digit code. Once they pay their bill online, or on the phone rather, they get a 4-digit code. The device will be blinking yellow and it's waiting for a code. If it's blinking red, you must call and pay the bill. It'll automatically send information to the device, start blinking yellow. You can enter in your 4-digit code, and then you can start your car. That's called AutoTrack. That's illegal in New York State, but everywhere else, it's legal. All right, so if you see that, that's most likely what that is. However, also, Progressive installs a device that goes onto the ODPC connector that monitors your driving record and makes sure your rates lower. That also could be a device that's connected to your car. One of the interesting things is how the OBD2 device sends a signal through the CAN bus and then sends a code to the tracker device, letting it know that it's been started, and that's pretty much it. These tracking devices for the GPS, these Repo guys, is that they know where the car is. All right, so they physically know where to look for the car. It doesn't matter what your license says. They have the banking device, the banking company, the AutoTrack company, sends. So anything, the preloaded stuff that's at the car dealership for tracking the vehicles, that is just enabled, disabled type of thing. They actually found something that it's not enabled. He found something that was actually disabled. He's making a big deal about nothing. It's not even in service. So we don't know what happened to the car in the past. He found something that was done in the past and it was never removed. You don't know what happened to these cars. If that car could have been repoed, and now he has the device, but it's disabled. It's not turned on. So these devices, these tracking devices, are pay services through the dealership. All these people who have these cars, they're not their cars. They're on consignment. So they want to know where the car is. And that's how they track them with these devices. Not a big deal. It's a bunch of hoopla. I'm surprised it got as many views as it did, but I'm here to debunk what he said, because it's a bunch of horse manure, and as from, JoeteckTips giving you information, this is the correct information. What you just saw is wrong. He had no idea. So I'm replying to that video. It's a bunch of crap. Does it exist? Yes. He found a disabled device, and he's making a big deal about it. So anyway, that said, you could be at ease. Nothing to worry about. You're okay. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up, and if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Take care, and we'll see you next time.
In the world of bytes and bits, where tech can make a strip, there's a guru with a knack for every digital tip. JoeteckTips the name, he's the one you'll seek. From gadgets to software, he's the one you'll meet. So if your tech's in a tangle, don't you fear. JoeteckTips here, let his advice draw near. With his help, you'll surely find in this digital world peace of mind. JoeteckTips, he's the man with the plan, guiding us through the digital land. With his wisdom and his wit, every tech woe will surely fix it.